some of the biggest treatment and monitoring facilities in the country are nearing their limits as the number of COVID-19 patients continues to rise. But the National Task Force Against COVID-19 says they're doing something about it. To give us the details, Greg Gregorio is reporting live from Mandaluyong. Greg, what's the latest?
Charles, authorities assured the public that solutions are underway as the occupancy rate of some of the country's biggest temporary treatment facilities have reached the danger zone.
5 out of the country's 14 mega temporary treatment and monitoring facilities are now in the danger zone, meaning occupancy rate is now above 70%. 3 facilities are in Metro Manila, while the rest are in Region 3. As of July 26, Health Department data shows that occupancy rate at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum stands at 94.8%, the Quezon Institute at 86.6%, and the Ultra Stadium at 77.3%. The Philippine Arena tent in Bulacan now has an 88% occupancy rate, while the ASEAN Convention Center in Clark, Pampanga has 88.8%. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere attributes the increase of patients in the said areas to the government's Oplan Kalinga and One Hospital Command system. Oplan Kalinga allows the transfer of patients to quarantine facilities for self-isolation, while the One Hospital Command strengthens the referral system among hospital and facilities to augment the gaps. National Task Force Against COVID-19 Deputy Chief Implementer Vince Dizon said they have identified isolation hotels as additional facilities.
And to date, mga 1,000 plus na ang na-isolate under Oplan Kalinga dito sa NCR.
Overall, occupancy rate in mega facilities has reached the warning zone at 58.1%. The Public Works Department is building more.
22 additional quarantine facilities ang currently ginagawa na ng DPWH sa NCR. And matatapos na yan in 2 to 3 weeks.
As for the needed additional hospital beds, especially for critical care, NTF Chief Implementer Carlito Galvez Jr. says construction of more beds in some government hospitals may be ready in August.
Yung Quirino Memorial Hospital, meron siyang mahigit na 50 plus na ICU bed na pwedeng gawin. Kaya minamadali po namin gawin yon, pati po yung 250 beds doon sa East Avenue Medical Center.
Charles, apart from this, more than 500 beds are also expected once the Phase 4 of the Mega Drug Rehab Center at the Fort Magsaysay in Nueva Ecija begins operating as a quarantine facility. And Secretary Dizon adds that the Razon Group has also offered to help the government build a new 500-bed capacity mega quarantine facility in Parañaque City. Charles?
All right, thanks for that bit of good news, Greg. That was Greg Gregorio reporting live from Mandaluyong.